Hello Automotive and Mini fans. News about the 2026 Mini Cooper continues to roll in, bringing with it speculation and interesting updates that are worth paying attention to. While Mini has already released some official details for the 2026 model year, there are still plenty of rumors circulating about what's to come, especially for the more exotic and innovative variants. One of the most persistent rumors is Mini's big move towards full electrification for its future models. We know that the electric Mini Cooper 3-door and Mini Ace Man will go into production in the UK in 2026. This suggests that Mini is serious about its green strategy, and many speculate that this could mean more electric variants to follow across a range of segments. Does this mean the classic Mini Cooper hatchback will be fully electric? It could be, or at least there will be more powerful electrified powertrain options. For 2026, Mini is expected to continue the retro-futuristic design language we've seen on recent concept models. This means retaining the iconic Mini silhouette, but with a sharper, cleaner modern twist. Rumors are circulating of slimmer headlights and taillights with advanced LED matrix technology, and a grille that could become more minimalist or even completely closed on the electric model. The interior is also expected to be more sophisticated, with rumors of a larger circular OLED display as the control center, and an intuitive interface with more digital features. For performance purists, there are some exciting rumors surrounding the 2026 Mini John Cooper Works, JCW. While the S model already gets the JCW style package that gives it a sportier look and better handling, many are looking forward to a significant power boost on the JCW variant. Speculations are rife about a more powerful petrol engine, or even a revolutionary electric JCW option with incredible acceleration. Imagine that legendary go-kart feeling combined with the instant torque of an electric motor. This could be a game changer. Mini has always been known for its customization capabilities, and for 2026, rumors suggest even more personalization options will be available. This includes a wider choice of roof and mirror cap colors, as well as sport stripes that can be mixed and matched. Additionally, Digital Key Plus, which allows users to unlock and start the car with their smartphone, will be standard on most 2026 models, except the convertible. This shows Mini's commitment to seamlessly integrating technology into our digital lifestyles. Overall, the 2026 Mini Cooper looks set to be an exciting evolution of this automotive icon. With a focus on electrification, a more modern design that still maintains the Mini essence, potential JCW performance upgrades, and advanced digital features, Mini is poised to continue to be an interesting choice in the automotive market. Of course, this is all just rumor until an official announcement from Mini, but excitement for the 2026 Mini Cooper in its true form is already high. What do you think of these rumors?